And so we started the chapter yesterday. Now the first chapter is Big Bang and the universe. So
And chapter 1.
chapter 1, Big Bang and the universe. Now I will show you some
Ma'am, what book?
world culture book.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so let me show you some pictures. Okay, share screen. Can you see the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a picture. What is this planet?
Page number.
Page number. I will go to the book, but first.
Ma'am,
Yes,
art. Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Art.
Earth.
Ma'am, art.
Ma'am,
Page
one.
number. Art.
Okay, wait.
Page number.
Page number is page number is 5. Page number 5.
Ma'am, page number 85.
No, only 5.
Oh.
The chapter is Big Bang and the universe. So Earth is a planet, and this is our universe. Now, okay, there is another picture. Okay, I'll show you. Everyone, please mute. Okay. Okay, no, the previous one. Okay, so this is Earth and this is Venus. See, the almost same size. Earth has, yes, this is Venus. Venus has almost Venus, yes. Now, this one is Earth. On the left hand side, this is Earth. But this is Venus. Yes, this is Venus. Now, this
This is Mars.
Mars. This one is Mars.
Mars.
Yes. So this one is so small. See, compared to this Earth, this is so small. The Mercury, that is even smaller.
Mercury, ma'am.
Yes, Mercury. That is even smaller. See, compared to Earth, Mars is smaller, Mercury is even smaller, but Venus is almost the same size. Now, almost, not the equal, but almost. Now, this one.
Ma'am.
What is this?
Ma'am, Jupiter.
Yes.
Jupiter.
Jupiter is so big. See here, that is Earth. Here it is Earth.
Ma'am, Jupiter.
Can you see this? This picture, here the star planet, that is Earth. And see how big the Jupiter is. And this is Saturn. Okay. Saturn has another circle around it, but it is not shown here. But this is Saturn. It is also big. Then this is Uranus.
Ma'am, Uranus.
Yes. This one is Uranus.
Also art, ma'am.
No. This one is Neptune. This one is Uranus.
Uranus.
See, the other planets are so small compared to this. Okay. Now, let's see.
Ma'am, sun. Sun.
Yes. This is sun, and see how the planets are so tiny. In compared to sun, the planets are
Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Tiny,
Tiny planet. Okay.
tiny.
Now, yes, compared to the sun, the planets are small. Okay. Now. Okay. Now, who can tell me what is this? What is this?
This is a constellation.
This is a constellation, right? Very good. This is a constellation.
Ma'am, constellation.
Yes, constellation.
Name is Signal.
Yes, the name is Cygnus. Okay, so that is an example of constellation. When some stars appear in an arrangement that we can recognize the shape, that is called constellation. Okay, now the picture. Okay, everyone, please stay mute. Okay, who can tell me what is this?
Ma'am, galaxy.
Yes,
Ma'am, galaxy. Ma'am, galaxy.
yes, this is our galaxy. This is Milky Way. Okay, this is
Milky
here,
Way.
here somewhere.
This is Milky Way.
Yes, somewhere.
Galaxy.
We are somewhere here. Okay, we live here somewhere. Now, this is another galaxy. This is called Andromeda. This is the picture of another galaxy.
Andromeda. Is it properly?
Yes,
This
this
is
galaxy.
Andromeda.
Yes, this galaxy's name is Andromeda.
Ma'am, it is Andromeda.
Now,
Ma'am, name is Andromeda.
yes, Andromeda. So, okay, who can tell me what is this?
Ma'am, moon. Moon. Ma'am, moon.
So, moon. Okay. So, everyone stay quiet. That was moon, and moon is a satellite. Okay, like other planets also have their satellites, and moon is our satellite. It is a heavenly body that orbits around the planets, orbit around the earth. That is our satellite moon. It has no light. Okay, because we see that. Okay, so if you see moon, see, that is bright. It's the brightest thing in the sky. Okay, from where the light comes? The light comes from the sun. The sun gives that moonlight, and that's why we can see that the bright round thing, and that appears as the same size as the sun. Okay, the sun is the same size to us as moon, because moon is very near us. The moon is very much near to the earth. That's why we can see this size of the moon. But the moon is much smaller than the sun. You know that. Now, there is some other things. There are other planets. We know that there are. You saw the pictures of the planets that are there, and some planets are called inner planets, and some are called outer planets. Okay, which ones are inner planets? Let's see. Which ones are inner planets? See, this Earth, Mercury, Venus, Mars. These 4 planets are called inner planets. Okay, and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These 4 planets are outer planets. Now, inner planets, what they have? They are small and rocky. They have a solid surface. But outer planets, they are large. very large. You saw the pictures. They are large and they are gaseous. Okay, and there is no solid surface. Like Earth, we stand in the ground that is solid and rocky. But if you see Jupiter or Saturn or Uranus, there is no solid surface, and they are so far away from the sun. Okay, Rafikul, you raised hand. You want to ask something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, what is a black hole?
Okay, black hole is something that is in the universe. When the sun is a star, you know that. So when the sun, there are so many stars in the universe. So sometimes what it happens that the stars die. Okay, because they are so big, they have a very large mass. Okay, so the content there is so big that they form something called black hole, and that is a rare thing, that black hole can even absorb everything, that even can absorb light. So black hole is something we can find in universe, but you don't need to worry about that now. Okay, when the star dies, there is so mass, because the sun is a huge star, so there are other stars like that, and the mass is so huge that they form a black hole. Okay, so you know now what is
Thank you,
satellite.
ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Now what is, you know now what is satellite, and now you know that what are the inner planets and outer planets, and you saw the constellation, what is constellation, and we live in a Milky Way. Milky Way is the galaxy we live in. Everyone, please stay mute. Now, what the planets, inner planets have, they have this rocky surface. They are very solid, but and they are nearer to the sun. And there are the outer planets. They are called gas giants, and as they are made of the gases, there is no rocky surface like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. That. And in the solar system, we now know that there are 8 planets, and sun and the moon. Moon is the brightest thing in the sky, because it has the light that it takes from the sun. Okay, so now we'll do the exercise. Okay, everyone, open your copy. Everyone, bring out your copy, please. Can you hear me?
Ma'am, open the copy.
Yes,
Ma'am, write in book or cup.
write in copy. Everyone opened it? You can unmute and ask. I cannot hear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll start it.
Yes, ma'am.
First
Yes, ma'am.
question. We know that the shape of the earth is
Round.
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 Yes, round. The universe contains millions of
Ma'am, galaxy.
galaxies. Yes, galaxies. When we look at the night sky, we can see many
Ma'am, star.
stars. Okay, I'm starting again from the first thing. We know that the shape of the earth is round. Second, the earth and all the other planets get
Heat. Ma'am, heat.
light and heat from the sun. Heat from the sun. Okay. Last question. The planets
Reflect.
reflect. Yes. The light of the sun. The planets, the satellite, they don't have any light of their own. Like sun has their light, but they don't have any light of their own. They reflect the light of the sun. That's
We
why.
have to write in this copy.
Yes, please write in copy.
Good luck. Ma'am,
Everyone, please mute yourselves. Yes, tell me.
ma'am, বুকে টিক মার্ক দেবো না কপিতে করব?
Copy.
ম্যাম, একবার দেখান না।
Yes, Adrita, you are asking anything?
ম্যাম, আর একবার প্রথম থেকে দেখান না।
Yes, Shamayan, আমি দেখাবো. Wait.
ওকে ম্যাম।
Okay, the first question you write. I'm telling you, you write. The first answer is round. We know that the shape of the earth is a round. Option A, round. You will not be able to.
ম্যাম, একবার নিচে দেখান না।
Okay, wait.
আকাশে এই দিকে দেখতাম।
Round. We know that the shape of the earth is round. This one, round.
এখানে আছে, এটা আমি দিয়েছি।
Option A. Samayan, can you see it? We know that the shape of the earth is round. Okay. Now, question number 2. The universe contains millions of galaxies. The universe contains millions of galaxies. The universe contains millions of galaxies. Now, third question. When we look at the night sky, when we look at the night sky,
2 নম্বর অ্যানসার কি হবে?
galaxies. Option C, galaxies. Now number 3. When we look at the night sky, we can see many beautiful stars. When we look at the night sky, we can see many beautiful stars. Everyone, please write. And stay mute. When we look at the night sky, we can see many beautiful stars. Now, question number 4. The earth and
ম্যাম
other...
3 নম্বরটা একবার দেখান।
Okay. When we look at the night sky, we can see many beautiful...
ম্যাম ডান।
Okay.
Stars.
Stars, yes.
ম্যাম নেক্সট কোশ্চেন बोलिए।
Next question is, the earth and all other planets get light and heat from the sun. The nearer the planets are, the more heat they get from the sun. And there is the Jupiter and Neptune. They are so far from the sun, they don't get the heat at all. So they are very cold. The planets like Neptune, Uranus, they are very cold. The earth and all other planets get light and heat from the sun.
ম্যাম 4 নম্বর উত্তর, ম্যাম 4 নম্বর आंसर
Heat.
হিট। ওকে ম্যাম।
Okay. Now question number 5. The planets reflect the light of the sun. The planets reflect the light of the sun. Reflect means they give back. They give back the light of the sun. That's why we see them bright. When an object reflects light, we can see them. So we see the planets, we see the satellite, that is moon, because they reflect the light of the sun.
मैम इसका आंसर क्या है?
Reflect is the answer.
ओके मैम।
Okay. So question A, everyone completed? 1 to 5. Now we'll do true or false. Now we'll do question A complete. Now question B, true or false.
मैम doing copy ना doing book?
Do in copy. Okay, you do in copy. In the night we see many shining objects in the sky. Is that true?
True ma'am।
Yes, true. Most scientists believe that the universe began with a whisper.
False।
Oh, yes, that began with a... Most scientists believe that universe began with explosion. Yes, it's called, yes, the name of the explosion they gave, that is Big Bang.
मैम बिग बैंग।
Yes, they named the explosion Big Bang. Okay, so second one is false. Now the third one. In the absence of the sun, there would be no life on the earth.
True ma'am।
True.
True ma'am।
Yes, yes. Without the sun, there would be no life because there will be no plant, will be not able to eat anything. So without sun, there will be no life on the earth. That is true. Third question is true. Now fourth question. In our solar system, 8 planets circle around the sun. True?
ma'am.
True. There are 8 planets. No, not
True, ma'am.
not false, it's true because there are only 8 planets. The last planet, Pluto, that is not a planet anymore. So there are only 8 planets. So in our solar system, 8 planets circle around the sun. True. The moon has its own light.
True, ma'am.
No, true. It's false. No, the moon doesn't have its own light. The light that we see that is of.
Ma'am, false.
Yes, that is false.
Ma'am, false.
False. Okay, true and false completed. So today we learned what is the universe, and then there are so many heavenly bodies into it: stars, planets, moons. There are also asteroids, comets, meteors, etc. Okay. Then we know what is galaxy. We live in we live in a galaxy that is Milky Way. We call it Akash Ganga. In India, we call it Akash Ganga. And then we know how the universe created. That is through Big Bang. That with an explosion happened and the universe is created, and that is called Big Bang. Now there are so many stars in the sky, and when the stars form a recognizable shape, that is constellation, then there is solar system, like the 8 planets that circle around the sun. Together they form the solar system. And the planets are, you know that the name of the planets. Now the 8 planets we have and in that 4 planets are inner planets, and the other 4 planets are outer planets. Inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. They are inner planets. And outer planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Now the planets have satellites. Every planet have satellite. Like Earth has one satellite, that is Moon. Except Mercury and Venus, every planet have their own satellites, and they are very small compared to the planet. Now our satellite is Moon, that is the natural satellite, and it has no light. It gets the light that is reflected from the sun, and that is the brightest object in the sky. We see this size of the sun, size of the moon, because they are so close to Earth. Now we completed A and B. We'll do C and question C tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so
Ma'am, what is the homework?
today there is no homework, but I will upload this A and B, that is we did in classwork, and you can submit that as homework in the assignment section. Okay? A and B we did.
Yes, ma'am.
Please submit that in the assignment section. I will upload it.